Today, we will look at the future of transportation, 7 ways artificial intelligence is revolutionizing autonomous vehicles. Autonomous cars driven by artificial intelligence are at the vanguard of this fast-changing transportation sector. Artificial intelligence is becoming more and more important in changing how we travel from one location to another as technology develops. Before we move further, subscribe and like this video because we are going to take you on a journey of artificial intelligence and its impact on transportation. Let's begin. Number 7. Improved protection against collisions. Enhanced safety and collision avoidance technologies have fundamentally reshaped the landscape of transportation, ushering in a new era of safety, efficiency, and reliability. These systems, which incorporate artificial intelligence, real-time data processing, and sophisticated sensors, have become indispensable in reducing road hazards and averting accidents. The sharp decline in traffic accidents and fatalities is one of the main effects of enhanced safety and collision avoidance. Autonomous emergency braking, lane departure alerts, and blind spot monitoring are just a few of the features that enable cars to see and react to possible threats much faster than a human could. This reduces the financial and societal costs linked to accidents in addition to saving lives. The use of these technologies has opened the door for driverless cars, which has completely changed the idea of transportation. Self-driving cars rely heavily on enhanced safety and collision avoidance systems to navigate through complex environments and interact with other vehicles and pedestrians safely. We are getting closer to a time when there will be almost no accidents and more accessible, efficient, and environmentally friendly transportation options as these technologies develop and grow. Number 6. Effective handling of traffic. Efficient traffic management has undergone a significant transformation with the advent of autonomous vehicles, revolutionizing the way we perceive and navigate urban transportation. By leveraging advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and real-time data analysis, traffic management systems have become more proactive and responsive. One key aspect of this revolution is the integration of autonomous vehicles into existing traffic infrastructure. These vehicles communicate with each other and with central traffic control systems to optimize routes, reduce congestion, and enhance overall efficiency. Through vehicle-to-vehicle V2V and vehicle-to-infrastructure V2I communication, autonomous vehicles can anticipate traffic patterns, adjust speeds, and coordinate maneuvers seamlessly, leading to smoother traffic flow and fewer delays. Moreover, autonomous vehicles are equipped with sensors and onboard computers that enable them to perceive their surroundings with remarkable accuracy. This capability allows them to adapt to changing road conditions in real time, making split-second decisions to navigate safely and efficiently. As a result, traffic management systems can dynamically adjust traffic signals, lane configurations, and speed limits based on actual traffic conditions, rather than relying on static schedules or predefined algorithms. Overall, efficient traffic management in the era of autonomous vehicles has the potential to revolutionize urban mobility, reducing congestion, minimizing travel times, and improving safety for all road users. With continued advancements in technology and infrastructure, the future of transportation promises a more streamlined and interconnected network that prioritizes efficiency and sustainability. Number 5. Improved accessibility. Improved accessibility in the context of autonomous vehicles is transforming mobility by providing greater inclusivity and convenience for individuals with disabilities, seniors, and those with limited access to traditional transportation options. Through innovative design and inclusive technology, autonomous vehicles are revolutionizing how people with diverse mobility needs navigate the world. One of the most significant ways autonomous vehicles enhance accessibility is by offering door-to-door transportation without the need for manual driving. This feature eliminates barriers for individuals who may face challenges operating conventional vehicles or accessing public transportation systems. With autonomous vehicles, people can summon a ride at the tap of a button, allowing them to travel independently and participate more fully in their communities. Furthermore, autonomous vehicles can be customized to accommodate various mobility aids and assistive devices, ensuring a comfortable and safe experience for passengers with disabilities. From wheelchair-accessible vehicles to adjustable seating configurations, these vehicles prioritize inclusivity and cater to the unique needs of each passenger. Improved accessibility extends beyond physical accommodations to include intuitive user interfaces and seamless navigation systems. Autonomous vehicles utilize voice commands, touchscreens, and other user-friendly features to ensure that passengers of all abilities can interact with the vehicle effortlessly. Number 4. Enhanced user experience. The future of transportation promises an enhanced user experience on multiple fronts, driven by technological advancements and evolving consumer expectations. One key aspect is seamless connectivity, where vehicles become integrated nodes within a larger transportation network. Users will experience fluid transitions between different modes of transport, facilitated by real-time data exchange and smart routing algorithms. Autonomous vehicles will play a central role in this future landscape, offering passengers newfound freedom to engage in other activities while on the move. With artificial intelligence-driven systems ensuring safety and efficiency, commuters can reclaim valuable time for work, leisure, or relaxation. Furthermore, personalized settings and preferences will tailor the in-vehicle environment to individual tastes, creating a more comfortable and enjoyable journey. Accessibility will also be a cornerstone in the future transportation experience. Innovations such as on-demand ride-sharing and micro-mobility solutions will provide convenient options for users of all abilities and socioeconomic backgrounds. Additionally, augmented reality interfaces will enhance navigation and provide contextual information, enriching the overall travel experience. Environmental sustainability will be another crucial focus, with electric and alternative fuel vehicles becoming the norm. Users will not only benefit from cleaner air and reduced noise pollution, but also from incentivized eco-friendly travel options. Number 3. Optimize energy efficiency. Optimized energy efficiency is a pivotal aspect in revolutionizing autonomous vehicles, profoundly influencing their performance, sustainability, and scalability. These vehicles rely on a complex interplay of sensors, processors, and actuators to navigate safely and efficiently. Maximizing energy efficiency ensures prolonged operational endurance, reduced environmental impact, and enhanced economic viability. One key strategy for optimizing energy efficiency in autonomous vehicles involves leveraging advanced algorithms and machine learning techniques to streamline route planning, vehicle control, and energy management systems. By intelligently analyzing traffic patterns, road conditions, and environmental factors in real time, autonomous vehicles can make data-driven decisions to minimize energy consumption while maximizing performance and passenger comfort. Integrating renewable energy sources such as solar panels or regenerative braking systems can augment onboard power generation, reducing reliance on conventional fossil fuels and mitigating greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, lightweight materials and aerodynamic designs can enhance vehicle efficiency, enabling smoother airflow and reducing energy losses due to drag. Moreover, collaborative efforts between automotive manufacturers, technology companies, and policymakers are essential to establish industry standards, incentivize innovation, and promote widespread adoption of energy-efficient autonomous vehicles. By prioritizing energy efficiency as a core design principle, the autonomous vehicle revolution can achieve its full potential in reshaping transportation systems for a more sustainable and interconnected future. Number 2. Seamless integration with smart cities. Seamless integration with smart cities is pivotal in revolutionizing the autonomous vehicle landscape. These vehicles rely on interconnected systems to navigate efficiently and safely, and smart city infrastructure plays a vital role in providing the necessary support. Firstly, smart cities can offer real-time data feeds to autonomous vehicles, including traffic conditions, road closures, and weather updates. This information enables vehicles to make dynamic route adjustments, optimizing travel time and reducing congestion. Moreover, smart city infrastructure such as traffic lights and signage can be equipped with sensors and communication technology to interact with autonomous vehicles. This allows for smoother traffic flow and safer intersections, as vehicles can anticipate signals and adjust their speed accordingly. Smart cities can incorporate dedicated lanes or zones for autonomous vehicles, providing a controlled environment for testing and deployment. These areas can be equipped with charging stations and maintenance facilities to support the growing fleet of autonomous vehicles. Seamless integration with smart city transportation systems enables multimodal connectivity, allowing passengers to seamlessly transition between autonomous vehicles, public transit, and other modes of transportation. Number 1. Ethical decision-making. Ethical decision-making in revolutionizing transportation involves navigating complex moral dilemmas to ensure progress aligns with societal values and priorities. As advancements like autonomous vehicles, hyperloop systems, and space tourism reshape how we move, several ethical considerations arise. Firstly, safety is paramount. Innovations must prioritize public safety over expediency or profit, addressing concerns like cybersecurity vulnerabilities and potential accidents. Additionally, equity must be upheld, ensuring accessibility and affordability for all socioeconomic groups. This involves mitigating displacement of workers and ensuring marginalized communities benefit from new technologies. Environmental impact is another critical factor. Sustainable practices, such as transitioning to renewable energy sources and reducing carbon emissions, must guide transportation innovation to combat climate change and preserve ecosystems. Moreover, ethical decision-making necessitates transparency and accountability from industry stakeholders, promoting fair competition and preventing monopolistic behavior. Privacy concerns also demand attention, particularly with the proliferation of data-driven technologies. Balancing convenience with individual rights requires robust data protection measures and informed consent protocols. Ultimately, ethical decision-making in transportation innovation requires a holistic approach, integrating diverse perspectives and prioritizing the long-term well-being of society and the planet. By upholding ethical principles, we can ensure that the future of transportation serves humanity's best interests. This is it for today. Let us know if you have any queries in your mind. See you soon.